In this video, we are going to deal with fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That is the first topic of real numbers, first chapter, class 10th. First, we will read what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed, factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Now, there are a few keywords that I will highlight over here. Composite numbers, product of primes, unique, and the order. Now, what exactly it means? I will take an example and I will explain with the help of that. First, let's take an example, 15. 15 has got two prime factors, 3 and 5. Okay, over here, we can see that 3 and 5, whether you do 3 into 5 or whether you do 5 into 3, they will always result in 15. And these two numbers together, without any other number, will always result only in 15, which makes them unique. So see, we have covered all the keywords over here. Composite number 15, prime factors 3 and 5, unique because they are unique to 15. They're not going to result in any other number apart from 15. And the order doesn't matter whether you do 3 into 5 or you do 5 into 3. Okay, let's take another example. So we have, let's say 45. Okay, now 45 can be written as 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, so now 3 times 3 times 5. Now, if I exchange the order, I write as 3 into 5 into 3, or I write 5 into 3 into 3. The order doesn't matter, and every time they are resulting only in 45. That is what makes them unique. Okay, so this is as simple as that fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every year there is at least one question that appears in boards class 10 from this theorem. You need to learn the theorem. I'm not saying learn word by word, but yes, you need to learn it. Okay, now let's do a question based on that along way, and it is also fetched from NCERT. Consider the number 4 raised to the power n, where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value for n for which 4 to the power n ends with a digit 0. First, what we are going to do, let's say what are the prime factors for 4? That is 2 and 2, right? These are the prime factors. Now, for any number, I'll write over here, for any number to have 0 as units place, units digit, it should have five and 2 as its prime factors. Okay, now what we can see, 4 has prime factors as 2 and 2. It doesn't have 5. Due to which, you two whether 4 to the power 1, it's 4. 4 to the power 2, that is 16. 4 to the power 3, that is 64. So you keep on going, but it will never result in 0. And the reason is, it is based on fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which is actually talking about primes, right? So 4 is a composite number, and the order of the primes over here, that is 2 and 2, it's unique to 4. It is never going to have 5 as a prime factor, due to which it will never have digit 0 at the end. I hope that is clear. Now, another question based on fundamental theorem, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 are composite number. They have given us two numbers over here. I'll do the first one. You leave your answer for the second one in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, so now what I'm going to do over here, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 30. Okay, now what I will do over here, 13 is a common factor, so I'm taking that out. I am left with 7 into 11 plus 1, right? What does that leave me with? That leaves me with 77 plus 1, which is 78. I'll prime factorize 78 once again, which is 13 times 6. I'll break 6 also further, which is 2 into 3. Now, what do we see? We have got so many prime factors over here, right? That is when we are having so many prime factors over here, that is resulting in a composite number. And remember, fundamental theorem was already talking about composite numbers, right? So here we have, what we will conclude over here is, this number 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 has 13 into 13 into 2 into 3 as prime factors, and this makes it a composite number. Okay, so now in this video, we have already learned about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. We did two questions drawn from NCERT only based on it. And now you need to do the second part of this question, the last question we did today. Do that, leave your answers in the comments. And if you have any doubts, anything you want to make me a video on that, and leave that comment in the box below, and I will make the video as soon as possible. Okay, bye.